Okay, good morning. Good morning, everybody. This is another day, January 11th, 2023. So, today we're gonna go fast and talk about what we see on our own radar, as you can see on my screen. Now, the topic of this video is Forex trading analysis for January 11th, 2023. So as you can see, we have been doing analysis since 2023, on a daily basis, and giving you a follow-up of every analysis we have done. So what we have on our screen right now is exactly what you can see, the way we have analyzed it, and this is the EUR-AUD. Let me see. Let's see. EUR-AU. Where is it? EUR-AUD. This is it. Now, it's on the H1 time frame. We are looking at this, and then if I'm gonna analyze this for you to understand what is on my screen right now. Now, this is going to go down, and it's been playing exactly the way we want it to play. So, what moves are we expecting right now? You see, we expect it to go and create us a tiny way up, a little bit, okay? A tiny way up. I think it's not going to pass this level, and this level is going to be our stop loss. This level is going to be our stop loss when the pattern we're waiting for is complete. Okay. And then we're going to see something that looks like this. After creating the high that we're looking for, there will be something that looks like this. Yes. Okay. Good. Then we're going to break this yellow line. This yellow line is going to be our own entry. Okay, if we're going to enter this trade now, we're just going to pen a kind of sell stop order right here, and this is going to be our stop loss. So we will just be waiting until the pattern is complete, and then you will see it coming to break this line, this entry zone, and at that point, this one here is going to be our final take profit. Let me even make this final take profit a green color. A green, yes, this should be our final take profit. At least you can understand when you see the green. This green is our final take profit. Okay. Now, if we are going to analyze it very well, okay, now it's going down and the price will turn around from this zone. This is our stop loss. We are expecting it to come and break this zone, this yellow line. This is our entry, sell, pen sell order. And then this is our final take profit level where it will get. Okay, and then if you look at your RSI, you see it's been above 70, and then it starts going down. Okay, good. Right now it's doing a kind of little bit of up formation before it will do the final rally down. See the MACD histogram going below the MACD red signal, and then that it shows it is going down. So what are we waiting for right now? Just wait for the pullback pattern to the up little bit to complete. When it's complete, we will see a rally down and a break of this level entry, and we come into this take profit level. So everything you need as a forex trader hearing this type of analysis is to go and get your tools. Okay, if you check under the description of this video, you will see a lot of links I put some links. There could be a link of landing pages, okay, but what you see there are those tools that is going to help you. Okay, once you enter your name and your email in any of those landing pages, it's going to send you automatic email into your email box. So you need to go and check it. It will send you a link to a tool or any tool that is going to help you with buying and selling. Okay, because this analysis I've done, this is the time now. If you are a trend following trader that you want to profit with this trend that is going to go down right now, everything you need to do now as a trend following trader is just to bring your tool that gives you buy and sell so that you can follow sell on this kind of analysis. Okay, if you don't have anything that is guiding you, then you are trading blindly. Okay, and blind trading does not really help. It makes you to start guessing. We have penned our own sell stop order here. We put our stop loss right here, and then we have our take profit here, and we're waiting for the price to come to complete this pattern. Right now going up a little bit, and it will rally down and break our entry level and come to our take profit level. So this is your boy Forex Strategy Factory signing out. Have a wonderful trading day.